So when is the best time to stretch out certain areas of your body that is typically really tight, that you have problems with mobility and just loosening up? The best time, in my personal layperson's opinion, is after a shower. I mean, any time that the body is warm, but after a shower, the body's going to be warm from the water. You didn't even have to work hard. Just being in that warm water is going to loosen everything up. That's when you're going to be able to make the most gains typically within your stretches. If you want to go further, not just in areas that you're typically tight, but even areas that you're typically pretty loose and limber anyway, just to go further. But if you want to specifically focus on those tight areas, I'm telling you, after a shower. I just took one recently. The back of my legs have always been the tightest area on my body, so that's typically when I remember. I need to remember more often, to be honest with you, but after a shower today, for example, I took a minute or two and full breaths, full inhales, so I could take full exhales, because on the exhale is when you make the progress. And it just felt so good. It's like if you try to stretch out a cold body, like, I don't know, first thing in the morning or just any time the body is cold, especially those tight areas, it hurts. It's really uncomfortable. You don't really make too much progress. And you can do a warm-up, some jumpy jacks, run in place for a few minutes, and then do it, and that's totally cool too. But the shower, it's like you don't even have to do any work. You just took a shower, you're warm from the water, right? And you can just get right into it and make some progress. And it's not a bad thing. So try that out. Tight areas of your body, whatever they are. For me, it's the back of my legs. I'm gonna do best stretching out the back of my legs after a shower and after my warm-ups for my workouts, and anytime the body is warm, I can do it. So think about that. Think about how it might apply to you. Feel free to share this video. It's important. The more flexible we are and the more mobile and agile on all those things, the younger we're going to feel as we get older. And if we don't keep ourselves limber, then as we get older, we atrophy and we turn into typical old people who can't move around too good anymore because they didn't take the time to stretch and stay limber. My website, by the way, is tomberkenmeyer.com, spelled just like it is here on social media. tomberkenmeyer.com. I got tons of stuff, mostly to do with health and natural healing and happiness and financial freedom. And speaking of that, for those of you that really love natural healing and health, and you want to be free financially by marrying those two concepts together, private message me. Show you what I've been doing for over a decade now, and if it turns you on too, we will do it together. Bye for now.